G'day, this is the video on the new SportsArt T673 Treadmill. These have the LED console display on them. You can also get a TV version as well. With this one, different dashboard they've come up with, a bit more sleeker design. With this display on the top here, the console, here will tell you the model number if you don't have it on the front of the treadmill. It'll be underneath here, T673. And these are some cutouts for extra features. If you did have the TV screen, you might have a USB in here to connect or something like that, as well as a USB here for data and software updates as well. To get into the maintenance mode on this one, what you need to do is press and hold the incline down button, or also press and hold the speed minus button to get into maintenance mode. So if you just press and hold it while it's still in that standby screen at the start, then it will come up with kph, which is kilometers per hour. Then you can change this by going up or down either way and change to what you want, even with the incline. When you get to what you want to select, hit the go enter button. It'll save that. This CTL is the display program version, which this will give you the software version of the actual console circuit board, or the circuit board and the operating system inside the console. If you press the down button in this section, then you go to the DRV, which this is the drive board version, which this will be the lower circuit board version down here. So down at the bottom of the treadmill, that's the version of lower circuit board that is using on this treadmill. Hit the enter button, then you go to total distance, which this will give you the kilometers that the treadmill's done. These are brand new treadmills, so this is only going to show up 2 kilometers, but that'll be 500 or 1,000 kilometers as the treadmill gets older. So you can write down this number for maintenance, things like that, to get that total distance. Press enter again, and this will give you the total hours, which will then, with the total distance and total hours, you can work out the average speed that your users in your club are going as well. This one is 0 hours because I haven't reached 1 hour yet. It's only done 2 kilometers, so I've only done testing on it whilst oiling the running belt as well. Hit the enter button again. This will give you the serial number. So this, the way SportsArt serial numbers work, they do add in the 0. So it'll be 0420693 is the actual serial number. So that whole number together is the serial number. If you hit the enter button again, and then you can choose your language. So here again, you can just scroll up and down, Japanese, back up to English, choose what you like, hit that go to save it. And then this one here is the EUP is the time. This will be the time that the screen will go into maintenance mode. So that's 30 seconds. So the delay where the screen itself will shut down, all the lights will shut down. It'll go into like sleep mode or saving power mode. This is where you'll change it from here, and then you go up from there. You can change that to what you like. Hit the go enter button to save it. And then this one is the enter the time limit. So if you wanted a time limit, you can have a time limit for when people, if you don't want them to use the treadmill for that long, or half an hour or 45 minutes or an hour or 20 minutes, whatever it is. Here you can set a time of what you want from 5 minutes going up as long as you want from there. So we're going to choose off because we don't want a time limit. And then the next one is the beep here as well, so that you can have the beep, which will be on or off. So if we choose that, hit enter, and then you're not going to have the beeping sound. This has gone back to the start screen, and the treadmill's running. So to get back into that, hit the stop button just to stop it here, and then hit the stop button again, which will go back to the start screen, the ready start screen, and then you can press and hold the incline down or the speed down, and then you'll get back into the maintenance mode here. And from there, to get back to where we were, you can just keep hitting enter. This one will be total distance, total time. That's the serial number. The English, you can choose the language. That's the time limit. The display maintenance mode saving. So it saves the saves power, goes into sleep mode, sorry. And then this is if you want to have the limit of the users. Or the pause time. This is so you can enter what time you want to have for a pause. So if someone pauses it, if they press the stop button and they're in the same program, it'll pause for that length of time. If they've got to answer their phone or get a drink or something like that and come back, they can do that. And then the beeps, you can turn the beeps on and off. And then to get back to the standby screen, just hit the stop button twice and it'll get back to there.